Our company here is Impladent Limited. We manufacture bone grafts out of New York City. Our most popular product is our OsteoGen Plug. It's a collagen plug that we filled with a bone graft. The big benefit of that is that it makes it very easy to graft your extraction sites. It's a one-step solution for socket preservation. Because all the graft is contained inside the plug, you can just drop it into the socket and suture over top. You don't need a separate membrane. In addition to the plugs, we also have our OsteoGen Strips. These are collagen and graft mixtures that are in strip form. They work very well around immediately placed implants or for sinus lifts, any sort of grafting procedure where you would have to worry about particulate migration. With the strips, you don't have to worry about that. Of course, we have our OsteoGen. It's a particulate graft. It's a resorbable calcium phosphate-based graft. In this presentation here, it's 6 cc's. We have a very reasonable cost on that. The Bioactive Graph is a very unique shape. You can see it back there. They're shaped like crystal clusters. Those clusters build on each other, and they work perfectly for the absorption of blood flow. In addition, we have human bone allografts and another bunch of other accessories for bone grafting. Our primary products are these OsteoGen Plug, strips, and crystal particulates.